How's it going, fellas? My name's Joe, and this is the Suede Classic Embossed from Puma. These sneakers are keeping it old school. You gotta just love that classic silhouette it's got going on. It is available in a few different colors to choose from. This is the Koi colorway. It is made out of a soft suede throughout. I like the way they've added the form stripe, the same color, just kind of made it subtle on both sides, but still very effective. Get the ribbed toe bumper up front, ton of flexibility right out of the box. They did include some extra padding in the collar area, a little bit in the tongue, as well as a ton in the footbed. You really can't go wrong with the classic. It's from Puma.